Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. And today we are going to do multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Last previous 2 days, what we have done? Multiplication of 2-digit by 2-digit, right? And today we are going to start multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. So let's start. For this, you need to open page number 57. Open page number 57. I'm also writing it on board. Page 57, and we are going to do multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay. So for this, firstly we will do sum. बच्चे जो A part है ना, you can do that sum on your book. Okay. So start करते हैं solving. First is find the product, and you know product is multiplication. Already sum is given on the book. You have to solve this sum in your book. Harsh has written I know. Very good, bachche, if you know. So this is your practice. A part is ones, tens, hundreds, 312 multiply 21. सबसे पहले बच्चे leave your pen pencil aside. सबसे पहले we will understand this topic, right? And after that you will write it on your books. Firstly, just concentrate on the board and listen to me. Leave your pen pencil. प्रभनुर बच्चे छोड़ दो, कोई बात नहीं. I will give you time after that, then you will do. ठीक है? So this is multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. And सबसे पहले हमने सीख लिया है कि how to multiply 2-digit numbers. Today we are going to do 3 by 2. तो करना कैसे है? Very simple. जैसे हमने already किया है वैसे ही है. सबसे पहले जो ये 312 है ना, जैसे हम वैसे नहीं करते थे कि 312 को 1 के साथ करना. पहले तो ऐसे ही करना है कि 312. Raghav has written the answer. Let's see बाद में कि is the answer is right or wrong. सबसे पहले wait बच्चे, I don't have book and notebook. Gitansh, you don't have any book or notebook. Why? So we have spent many days in attending the classes. It means you have not purchased the book now, and you must have any notebook. कोई तो notebook होगी आपके पास. So सबसे पहले हम 312 को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Right? So 312. Baki method is same that we have followed in previous class, that firstly we will put a plus sign at one's place. So here we will write plus. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Means हमने ये क्या किया? अब हमने 312 को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया. Firstly we have done 312 multiply by 1. फिर 312, पहले हमने 312 को पीछे 1 के साथ किया. Then we have multiplied 312 by 2, right? So 4 2 6. And now we are going to add these two numbers. So 3 students have written the answer. Very good, Raghav, Jivesh and Jasraj. And 3 answers are same. So 3 यहाँ पे है ऊपर 2, यहाँ there will be written 2, 1 plus 4 5, 3 plus 2 5 and 6. So our answer is 6552, and this is same procedure which we have followed earlier. बस उसमें क्या होता था, यहां तक होता था ऐसे, ये डिजिट नहीं होता था ना. अब सिंपल है, अब हमने इसको इसके साथ भी करना है, इसको इसके साथ और इसको इसके साथ. सिंपल, very easy. Now you can do it in your notebooks or book. You have space in your book, bachche, so you can also do this sum in your book. And we will do A and B part. Now you can do, I am giving you time. So Gitansh, bachche, open any notebook. If you don't have any book or notebook, please do it on any page. At least you must have any page. If you don't have any notebook, so where do you work? You are attending English classes, Punjabi, Hindi, all the classes. So where do you do your work, bachche? So this is not gonna happen. So 6,552. Astik, ma'am, I have done first sum. Very good, bachche. So this was the A part and it's quite easy. जिन बच्चों को कल वाली multiplication आ गई and today they will not find any difficulty. उन्हें ये बिल्कुल भी difficult नहीं लगेगा. जिनको last वाली multiplication आ गई है. If दो अगर जिनको नहीं समझ आई थी, जिन्होंने अच्छे से नहीं समझा था, उनको बच्चे प्रॉब्लम आएगी. Samrit, yes, bachche, you can do it in your book also. I have already told because now we have space in your book, so we can also do it in this. Udayveer has done first sum, very good. Ma'am, please unmute Priyanka Kelle. जसराज आस्तिक किसका आंसर लिख रहे हो समीर? अभी मैंने बी पार्ट नहीं बोला. नो, दिस इज नॉट गुड. अभी ए पार्ट चल रहा है. मैंने अभी टाइम दिया है क्योंकि अगर एक आधा बच्चा भी रह गया सो यू विल से दैट मैम स्पीड इज फास्ट. सो आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम. So don't write answer of B. Firstly, we will complete A part, then we will move to B part. ऐसे confusion होती है chat box में.
Yes, ma'am. मैम समझ आया मेरे को.
कौन सा ये वाला? कहाँ से समझ नहीं आया आप बोलो, मैं साथ में समझाऊंगी आपको.
नहीं समझ आया.
कहाँ से बच्चे? स्टार्टिंग से ही आपको टू डिजिट के साथ समझ आई?
यस मैम.
तो सेम है, दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं दोबारा सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. 312 21. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, ये तो पूरा लेंगे हम जैसे करते हैं और इसको हम 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 2 ज़ा 2, 1 1 ज़ा 1, 1 3 ज़ा 3. इतना समझ आया बच्चे? से yes or no? Now where are you? So next step में हम यहाँ पे पहले प्लस साइन पुट करेंगे because we are gonna add these two numbers. Then 2 2s are 4, 3 2 2s are 1, 2 1s are 2, and 2 3s are 6. And we will add these two numbers 2 5 5 6. Simple. So mostly students have done, but I just need your concentration. जब आप concentration के साथ समझोगे तब आपको जरूर समझ आएगा. Because many students have solved it before me. मेरे से पहले ही उन्होंने solve कर लिया. So now you can solve B part. Already students have given me the answer of B part. B part solve करते हैं अभी हम. B is 245 by 19. दोबारा मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ इसे. जिसको नहीं समझ आया तो ये कर लो तो भी समझ आ जाएगा. ये नहीं कि मैम बस मुझे वो वाला समझ नहीं आया, ये आ गया. द मेथड इज सेम. तो क्या करेंगे हम, पहले 245 को we will multiply by 9, then we will multiply 245 by 1. Firstly with 9, then by 1. Ones place से start करेंगे हम. ठीक है, पहले 9 के साथ. तो 9 5s are 45, 5 will be here and 4 is carry over. 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 4, 40, 0 and 4. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. So here I will write this number. Okay. And in the second step, at ones place, firstly we will put a plus sign. Then we will multiply 245 by 1. So 5 4 2. 5 4 2. Simple. Okay. So 5 ऐसे ही 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 2 4. So very good to those जिनका आंसर आया है 4655. राघव आपने 755 लिखा है बच्चे, check it. But mostly students have written 4655. So that's the right answer. Very good. Yes, Simmerpreet, Pritika, Harsh, very good. Arav, Astik, very good. So this answer is right, 4,655. Bache, I will take your doubts in the last, okay? When we will left with 5 minutes, so then I'll mute you everyone, unmute you everyone, so then you can ask me anything regarding the topic. So now C part, and D and E is for your practice work. We will not do D and E part in this class. This is for your practice work. क्योंकि इसके बाद मैं अपनी तरफ से statement दूंगी that you will do in your notebooks, right? So quickly do C part. Okay, C part का answer लिख दिया है Astik, Sameer, and the answers are same. Udayveer has done second sum. Okay, Abhinav has written C answer. Same answer. Okay, Dhankar, Jasraj, Arav, very good. Mostly students have done. C part is 518 multiply 11. Very simple sum. Very simple. So, सबसे पहले 518 होगा 1 से. 1 8 the 8, 1 1 the 1, 1 5 the 5. And firstly, we will put a plus sign here at 1's place. Then 1 8 the 8, 1 1 the 1, 1 5 the 5. So 8, 1 plus 8, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, and 5. 5,698. So in this sum, there will be no carryover. This is a very simple statement sum. 5,698 is the right answer. And now D and E part is for your practice. So when you will do your practice at home, you will complete D and E part. Samrit, it's very easy. That's good, bache. If you have understood the topic, then it's easy for you. अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आता है, only then it will remain difficult for us. Done, bache? So 3 sums we have done on book. Now open your notebooks. Now we will do sums in your notebook as well. Priyanka bache, what I have said, that in the last 5 minutes, I will unmute you everyone. Then you can ask me. Or you can also write your doubt in the chat box, bache. We have unmuted you. पहले हमने किया था आपको. So now second sum is, ये थे first के 3 parts. Now we are moving with second. Number second, and statement is simple multiply. Firstly, we have done find the product. Now what we are doing, simple multiply, right? So we are doing B part. Second B part, 109 by 15. And now this is sum including 0. First 3 sums what we have done, there was not any 0. And in this sum we have 0. Okay? Sure. Firstly, what we will do, in this we will arrange the numbers according to its place values, right? Firstly, we will arrange. So ones, tens, hundreds. So 109 and 15, 1, 5, like this. Okay? Anurag, why you are writing the answer? At least you have written the answer 20 times. Yes, Navya, बच्चे कॉपी पे करना है. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोल दिया that you will do this sum in your notebook. Anurag, I can see your answer one time also. इतनी बार लिखने से मुझे ज्यादा नहीं दिखेगा ना. Ma'am, please unmute Priyanka Kelle. Until then, बच्चे, you do this sum in your notebooks. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम भी. Yes, बच्चे.
मैम जो आपने बुक में सम करवाया था सी पार्ट, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया था।
आप ना क्लास की स्टार्टिंग से लिख रहे हो कि मैम प्लीज अनम्यूट मी, तो सी पार्ट तो मैंने अब भी करवाया है। आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन, है ना?
मैम नो, जो मैंने पहले डाउट पूछना था वो किसी और ने पूछ लिया।
तो फिर आपका क्लियर हो गया ना, सिंपल, कोई बात नहीं। आपको सी पार्ट नहीं समझ आया, आप ये कर लो, सेम है सारे सम्स, क्योंकि नंबर्स तो चेंज आने, एग्जाम में भी ये सम नहीं आने ना, आपको नंबर्स चेंज आने हैं, फिगर्स चेंज आनी है आपको, तो ये अंडरस्टैंड कर लो। द मेथड इज सेम, बस आपको मेथड आना चाहिए। आपको ए और बी पार्ट समझ आया बच्चे?
यस मैम।
जैसे ए और बी की है वैसे सी है, और सी तो उससे भी इजी था, कोई कैरी ओवर नहीं था बच्चे। देयर इज नो रूल, अगर आपको एक सम समझ आ गया है ना तो आपको सारे आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि मेथड इज सेम। बस ट्राई टू कंसंट्रेट। अब ये वाला सम अंडरस्टैंड करो, वो सी अपने आप आपको आ जाएगा। ओके, सो आंसर लिखा है राघव ने 1635, समीर ने, प्रभनूर का डिफरेंट है किया। नाउ प्रियंका अंडरस्टैंड दिस। अब मैं ये समझाने लगी हूँ क्योंकि आपको ए और बी तो समझ आ गए हैं, सी भी आ जाएगा क्योंकि मेथड सेम है। 5 9s are 45, 5 here and 4 side carry over. 5 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 ones are 5. Firstly, we have got 545, and at ones place in the next line, firstly we will put plus sign, and 1 9s are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, and 5, 4 plus 9 is 13, 3 here, and 1 is carry over. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6, and here is 1. So answer is 1635. Very good. Mostly students have written. Prabhnur बच्चे आपने लिखा है 1595. So check your answer. Arav, Jasraj, Dhankar, Astik, Anurag. Yes, your answer is right. Gurjot, Abhinav. 1635 is right answer. जीरो वाला भी सिंपल होता है, बस उसमें 5 zeros are 0 ऐसे हो जाएगा, and 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 zeros are 0. Only this much difference is there in zero type sums. Okay, complete this sum in your notebook. And show me your notebook as well in front of the camera. I want to see. Prabnoor, Navya bachche, show me. Bring closer your notebook. Yes, Prabnoor, I have seen Josna, Avya, Kanupriya, Japanjot, Udayveer. Samar, show me. Jia, Piyush, yes. Dipakshi, show me. You're doing. Yes, Shivang, Harpreet, Gurjot, Gitansh, Dhankar, Priyanka. Priyanka, समझ आ गया बच्चे? Show me your thumbs up if you have understood. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we will do some part number D. Same sum, second sum. This was B part, and now we are going to do B part. B part is 215 by 32. And firstly, we will write solution here, and we will arrange the numbers according to its place value. 215 multiplied by 32. Simple. So now, bachche, stop writing answer of A. Which part we have done? B part. Now do this sum in your book, notebook. I'll do later. Firstly, you will do. There are two students, Prabhnoor, in my class, और एक है प्रभनूर कौर, एक है प्रभनूर कुछ और है, A for. There are two students, बच्चे. Write in the chat box which section do you belong. Write in the chat box the name of two Prabhnoor. Anantika has written the answer. Astik, Krishnam. Prabhnoor ने 3 क्यों लिखा है? मैम हैव वी राइट आल्सो, यस बच्चे लिखना है ये भी, क्या हो गया, हर्ष, जिवेश, प्रीतिका, ओके ऑलरेडी रिटन आंसर, वेरी गुड। एक है प्रभनूर सिंह, तो सिंह की आईडी तो कोई भी नहीं है, एक के से है एक ए से है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कंप्लीट नेम नहीं आ रहा है ना, सिर्फ प्रभनूर लिखा आ रहा है। प्रभनूर कौर, प्रभनूर अरोड़ा, okay, 3 Prabhnur are there in both the sections. Okay, Gunveen, Gurveen, Arav, okay, Abhinav, answer is right, 6,880. Raghav, your answer is wrong. Ma'am, A part करना है बच्चे, A part we have already done. A part है multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number, ये हमने कल वाली क्लास में already कर लिया है. Please be attentive. We have already done A part. That's why we have started from B part. And now D, because we have done C part. मैंने आपको बोला था we will do according to numbers. पहले हम 2-digit वाला number उठाएंगे, then we will moving for 3-digit number. Mix करेंगे, you will not be able to understand. Mix हो जाना था सारा. Okay, Anadpreet बच्चे wait please. So 2 5s are 10, 1 will be carry over, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 2 4, मतलब 2 4s 2 2s are 4. So here plus sign, 3 5s are 15, 1 here, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 2s are 6, 0, 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 4 8 and 6. Very good to those whose answer is 6,880. Very simple. प्रभनूर अरोड़ा ने किसका आंसर लिखा है ये, अगर इसका है तो बच्चे रॉन्ग है, यू हैव रिटन 4,580. यस नव्या, गुड. नो नो नव्या, यू हैव रिटन 9,880. इट्स 6,000. देयर इज नो नीड टू हरी, सिंपल. डू योर सम्स विद फुल कंसंट्रेशन, वी आर नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर, वी स्टिल हैव टाइम, हम धीरे धीरे कर सकते हैं. Okay, Sia. Okay, that's good. Now we will move to some H part. Last is, then we will be completed our exercise H part. Because in between the sums we have done, only left part is H part. 265 by 22. Simple. So ones, tens, hundreds. Arranging the numbers according to its place value. 265 multiply by 22. Solve this sum. Krishnam has written the answer. इतनी जल्दी कैसे लिख लेते हो आप बच्चे, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तो बताया कि we are doing H part. Krishnam, show me your notebook if you have solved this sum. Krishnam, where firstly let me see your notebook. अगर आपने किया होगा तो very good. Show me Krishnam. Yes, I can see you. Show me your notebook if you have written. I'm unable to see your notebook बच्चे. आपका सिर्फ फैन दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि नाउ यू आर अ किड, आपको थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा ना सॉल्व करने के लिए, या कैलकुलेटर से करके बता देते हो मुझे. So Krishnam, Jivesh, Pritika, Arav, Harpreet, answer you have written and the answers are same, 5,830. Others are doing very good. Complete this. Yes, Krishnam, now I have seen. Very good. Sameer, at that time only your fan was visible, not you. Shivang, Ekveer, okay. So this is the right answer, 5,830. Now I am also doing it on board. See, 2 5s are 10, 0 here, and 1 will be carried over. 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1, 3, 13, and 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. In the next step, we will put firstly a plus sign. 2 5s are 10, 1 here, 2 6 the 12, 3 will be written here, and 1 again carry over, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, same आ गया हमारे पास. So 0 3 8 5. So answer is 5830. Yes. Now mostly students have written the answer. बस ये side पे carry over थे. Simple. Okay. Done. And with this our exercise 4D is also done. And this exercise was a mixed exercise of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. But we have separated these sums according to our convenience. Firstly, we have done 2-digit sums. Then we have done 3-digit sums. I think it will be more difficult for us, है ना? ये ज़्यादा easy था. And now ma'am has sent the link. Open that link and mark your attendance. And come back fast, jaldi se. Then we will continue with one more practice sum, and that sum I will give you from my side. Okay? And these were the sums which we have done from book. Now one sum is from my side. Number 3 वहां पे put कर लेना आप. Number 3 multiply. So I am giving you time, no problem. पहले आप fill करो अपनी attendance. Okay, done. So I hope you all must have filled your attendance. Done, bache? So now I'm writing a sum on the board. You will solve this. A part 350 by 17. 350 by 17. क्योंकि अभी तक हमने ऐसे वाला सम नहीं किया where 0 is at one's place. Okay, so solve this sum 350 by 17. Firstly, arrange the number according to its place values. $350 by 17. ID with Samreet Kaur, आप कुछ खा रहे हो या क्या है आपके पास ये? Yes, you are now going to have your fruity, है ना? You are withdrawing your straw. Side पे कर रहे हो आप बच्चे? I can see you. अब side पे कर दिया आपने. Is this the time for your breakfast or lunch? और आराम से आप fruity अभी पीने वाले हो? That's bad. Samreet Kaur. Okay, Krishnam has written answer 5,950. Sameer has written different answer. So let's see whose answer is this. Yes, Chapanjot, I have already told you this sum is not in your book. I have given you this sum for your practice. So Astik has also done and the answer is different. Anantika 5,950. Arav, Kavish, Dhan, Kaur, ये same है answer. Udayveer, Kavish, okay. The first one is Krishnam and the second right answer is Abhinav and then Anantika. Astik बच्चे check करो. Sia, what are you writing in the chat box? There is no need for this. Different signs भेज रहे हो आप. I don't need this. Yes, Gitansh, Ekveer, Sameer, 5,950. Shivang, okay. और बच्चे, प्रभनूर, आंसर लिखो. प्रियंका. Fast, I need more answers. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने आंसर लिख दिए हैं, वेरी गुड, बट स्टिल मैनी आर लेफ्ट. प्रभनूर कौर, डिफरेंट आंसर है बच्चे, 6050. दैट्स नॉट राइट. करेक्ट इट. Bhavesh, write your answer बच्चे. You have not written Kriday, Kiran Noor. Okay, Navya. Navya, different answer बच्चे. You have written 5650. It is 5950. So I am doing this on board. Quickly see. Ones, tens, 100, 350, 17. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 fives are 35, 5 will be written here and 3 carried over. Okay, so 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 3, 24. Firstly, we will put a plus sign. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 threes are 3. So 0595. So that's the right answer. 5950. Ma'am, please unmute Josna. So this is the right answer, bache. Very good. Those who have done right sum, very good. Means आपको कोई भी number आ जाए exam में, अगर the method is clear to you, you can solve any sum. And you know, कोई भी ऐसे sum नहीं होता जो book से same आए. And we are changing the numbers. So that's why you need to understand the topic, the concept. Yes, Josna, bache ask please. Ma'am, please unmute Josna.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
Good afternoon, bache, speak.
मैम, जो आपने डी पार्ट कराया था 215/32, मैम जब हमने उसको 3 जो आपने 645 लिखा था मैम, सेकंड वाले आंसर में 135 से मैम उसका जो हम.
हाँ जी, वेट, अब मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं है कि मैंने कहाँ पे क्या लिखा था. अगर आपको उसके रिगार्डिंग कोई क्वेरी है ना, आप उस सम की फोटो क्लिक करो और मुझे मैसेज कर दो, मैं आंसर कर दूंगी. ठीक है, मैं आपको वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दूंगी. आप अपनी क्वेरी वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग में कर देना, मैं आपको भेज दूंगी. ओके ओके. सो that was all for today's class and now we are left with less than 1 minute. So quickly wind up करते हैं आज की क्लास को. So our multiplication topic is done बच्चे. Just we are left with statement sums and tomorrow we will do statement sums of multiplication. अब तक यहाँ तक हम we have done multiplication of 2 digit number by 2, 3 digit